Want to find out what's new at Neighbourhood, what our data reports are saying about the state of sales and marketing, and what new software has launched to allow you to build the website of your dreams on a budget? Well, you've come to the right place. Howdy guys, it's Liv here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell and keep their people. Trav is away on leave at the moment, but the show must go on, so I'll be taking over today. Welcome to our August update. We've got a bunch to get through today. We're ready to fill you in on all that's new with us, all that's happened recently, our all-important sales and marketing metrics for the month, as well as our software spotlight. So let's get stuck in. First up, we're stoked to let you know that we've taken out the Hubspot Impact Award for Q2 in the integrations category for our work with Cakes and Chips. We want to say a huge thank you to our client Sam, who put her trust in both Ruby and Trav to make her day-to-day processes more seamless through creating an interconnected system that really pushed the realms of possibility. If you'd like to see their strategy for transforming a manual, disconnected and dated process to an automated, interconnected juggernaut, check out the link in the description to read the case study today. We're really proud of it. Next up, from a staffing front, tell your friends because we're on the lookout for a digital strategist to join our tight-knit client success team. With HubSpot experience being a preferable prerequisite, you'll be responsible for project managing the development and execution of digital strategies for our clients. If you're keen on helping some of Australia's biggest companies grow better, or know someone who would be, reach out to us today through the link in the description. Applications close soon, so get in quick. Now I want to fill you in on our latest HubSpot user group event. In the last week of July, I was lucky enough to sit in on Trav's event with Angus from Bopple, Nick from HubSpot and Kim from AIF as part of our HubSpot expert panel, a 90-minute session where we ran through the ways that we've been growing better with HubSpot, discussing new HubSpot features, mistakes made in scaling through COVID, their learnings looking into the future, and more. It was a great event with loads of great questions and a quality sponsor of Oma. So we've added the recording to our YouTube channel for you to view for free on demand. So check it out and be sure to keep your eyes peeled for our next Hug event in September as part of HubSpot's 150 Hugs in 5 days campaign. On that note, on the off chance that we've actually been in the office over the last month as a result of sporadic lockdowns, we've been punching out new videos for you guys. Fresh on the channel, we've got our HubSpot update, where I ran through a bunch of beta updates as well as updates to the CMS and Sales Hub. As well as he rolls out inbound campaigns for his own clients, Geordie takes us through the 3 steps to building your own inbound marketing campaign, as well as 5 steps to building a high-converting chatbot. There are a load of great suggestions in this video for optimizing your generic chatbots for maximum conversion potential, some of which we've even taken to optimize our current bots as well. Ugh. Now, let's move on to our metrics that matter segment, the only spot that you need to stop to feed your brain with marketing, sales, and customer service data to keep you in the loop throughout the year. We all know how important it is for you to be across all that's going on in the industry so you can adjust your strategy accordingly. That's why, with the help of the guys at HubSpot, we've aggregated data across HubSpot's global customer base of 100,000 companies to provide you with the benchmarks to measure your business against. In terms of all we've got to look forward to today, we want to let you in on the state of ad spend, contact growth, and support tickets across region, company size, and industry type. So let's kick into it. We're going to start with the state of ad spend this month. The highest it's been in over 18 months. Ad spend is on a positive trajectory as COVID-affected businesses rely on advertising to get their messaging out there for the world to see. Unsurprisingly, it's smaller companies of 0 to 25 people who are relying largely on higher ad spend without obvious brand recognition to fall back on as customer spending continues to be inconsistent and ambiguous. Leading the way for industries, we can see that consumer products and manufacturing are spending the most, remaining 2 of the top spenders throughout most of 2021. The reason that I wanted to mention the state of ad spend in particular is due to the fact that we've found contact growth to be particularly low coming into July, dipping significantly from previous months, indicating that across the board, ads aren't necessarily spelling the growth of contacts. Interestingly, it seems that contact growth is particularly large in the APAC region, and specifically for the customer products industries, as more and more of Australia is sent home and online consumption is more readily available to us. Therefore, for the other industries struggling to cut through the noise with their advertising, it may be a case of creating better optimized ads for the modern customer. We've included some of our own articles down in the description below for you to dig through, which detail various types of advertising and our best practices for converting better with each. The third metric we wanted to run through with you was the state of support tickets. Again, we can see another trajectory of increased requests for support, specifically found in the Latin America and APAC regions. common and increasing for all company sizes alike. It seems that the financial services industry takes the cake for the highest number of support tickets, which makes sense, right? As COVID took grip again over the last few months in Australia particularly, people turn to financial services as their first port of call to get their affairs in order. The question is then, how efficiently are these support tickets being managed and responded to? The support end of the buyer's journey is all about delighting your customers, and delighting them to a degree that they'll not only return to your brand, but advocate for it too. We've included some articles in the description below explaining exceptional customer service and ways that you can look to improve it today. Last up, it's time for our software spotlight. This month, we're keen to tell you about the highly anticipated launch of Hubspot's CMS Starter, allowing growing companies to build CRM-powered websites. This new tier of the company's existing web content management system gives marketers and developers the tools they need to generate business through their website. Wondering what you can achieve with the Starter tools? Well, users have access to building fast, secure, and reliable websites by taking care of the maintenance associated with the traditional CMS, so marketing teams can focus on creating an amazing customer experience through their website. As well, the Starter portal lets developers use the tools, tech, and workflows that they prefer to create flexible themes for marketers to work within. Marketers can then take ownership of the site, updating the look and feel of their website as they see fit, without being restricted by the dev team's sprint cycle. Last of all, the Starter CMS is built as part of HubSpot's CRM platform to give customers seamless access to all of their data to inform their web strategy and understand exactly what pieces of content are resonating and working for their audience. The Starter option is going to be a game changer for companies looking to take their digital experience to the next level, and we're here to help if you need us. Our onboarding takes into account the new Starter portal, so hit us up today to get set up. And that's it for this month. We hope you're able to take something away from our August update. But remember, if you need a hand with anything mentioned in this video, check out our blog for all of the referable content that you could want, or just drop us a line for some best practices and we'll work it out together. But for now, that's all from me. Happy August and happy marketing.